alternatives to impeachment, and House hearings.
I suspect that we may wind up questioning some of these judges themselves to have them defend their actions.
Democrats stand by the judges' controversial rulings.
Fox Digital has learned that Johnson is expected to meet today with Judiciary Committee members to discuss what Republicans see as activist judges trying to block President Trump's agenda. I'm Qodosen. This is Fox News.
iHeartRadio Music Awards celebrated the music and artists you've loved listening to all year on iHeartRadio. Brought to you by Jeep.
It's now streaming on Hulu for a limited time.
Bad Bunny,
Billie Eilish,
Glorilla,
Kenny Chesney,
Money Long,
Nelly,
your host, LL Cool J,
plus Lady Gaga,
Mariah Carey,
Gracie Abrams,
and iHeartRadio's Tour of the Century Award, honoring Taylor Swift, the Eras Tour.
our 2025 iHeartRadio Music Awards.
Streaming now on Hulu.
Are you a business owner, CEO, or responsible for marketing? If you are, iHeartMedia can help you reach your goals and find new customers. We reach more consumers in your target area than anyone else, and we can give you access to those potential customers more cost-effectively across radio, digital, podcasting, and social. We'd love to show you how iHeartMedia can work for you. Get started today at iHeartAdvertising.com. That's iHeartAdvertising.com.
Refreshing your news feed at the top and bottom of the hour and posting opinions the rest of the time. News Radio